Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today it's my first time to make this video, and I want to make this video to share some opinions about how to recognize the fake or the real shoes of Air Jordan 1 High OG Bred Prison. So now you can see there are three different versions of the Bred Prisons on the ground, and this one is the retail, and this we call them version A, and that is a version B. So I will show you some opinions about me how to recognize these different versions of these shoes, how to recognize which one is retail, which one is fake. Okay. Okay, so first, let's show you the whole details about these three different versions Bred Payton. So this is a retail version. And this one is the version A. Here is the version B. Okay, so first let's see these three different versions toolbox. Let's find out what's the difference among these three different versions. And this is retail one. Here we go. Okay, so this toolbox, they use two different colorways letters, but this letter is special because you can see it's pretty shiny and cleaning and smoothly. Good. Now let's see the version A. Okay, so yes, they have a difference. First is that the metal guard at the black part, you can see is a little bit shorter than the retail one. But the stitching and the ventilation holes, they look the same as the retail version. Pretty shiny leather. All right. Now let's see another one. Okay, so this is a version B, toolbox. Good. The metal guard, black part, it looks like the retail version. Stitching around the ventilation holes. Good. Ventilation holes cleaning. Bright, shining. Oh, pretty nice. I like this version, the toolbox. Alright, so now let's see the medieval parts of the Bred Paytons. Let's see the version A and the retail versions. What can we find, or what can we find out some difference between these two versions? Let's see the retail one. Okay. Let's remember what's the red swoosh, the location is. Now let's see the version A. Okay, so we can see at this part, you can see that the stitching, the location is a little bit higher than the retail one. Okay. Especially this part. Okay. So this is the first. Let's find out one of the difference between these two shoes. And let's can see what can we find some other things. Okay, let's see the retail one first. Retail version A. Okay, we find out. Okay, so you can see this the stitching at this side. The outside stitching. Remember their location. All right. Now let's see the version A. We can directly see this version. The outside stitching is get close to the edge. All right. Did you see that? And they get these two stitching location. They get very tight. So this is we find the second one, the second difference. Pinholes. Let's see. Can we find out some difference? Can we find some difference between the pinholes? All right. Wow, look, it looks same. It's these two versions. They look the same. What is only the pinholes? The pinholes part they look the same. Yeah. Okay, so let's see the collar part. Stitching is very good. All right. Well, the stitching around this red part is regular and smooth. But let's see the version A. Oh my god. Look at this part. It's got a little bit wider than the retail one. Yeah. Okay. So now let's see the version B. All right, let's see the version B. Okay, so the swatch location, yeah, is correct. Stitching, correct. Pinholes, correct. Stitching at this part is correct. All right. Let's see the collar part. Good. Nice shoes. Yeah, I like this version. It's getting more closer to the retail versions more than the version A. Okay, so this time we will talk about the lateral part between these three version shoes. Now let's see the retail one. The location of the red swoosh, the head of the swoosh, at the center of the lateral part. Air Jordan brand, cool. Okay, let's see the version A. Let's see the version A. Well, I think because of this round location, this round place, so the whole red swoosh is a little bit down. It's a little bit down. All right. And the location of this the Air Jordan brand is not correct. It's incorrect. Okay, it's not correct. And the back heel, you know, it's too straight line. It looks like a straight line, but when we see the retail one, we can obviously to see it's a curve. It's a curve, not a straight line. Oh no, come on. It's too obviously to see them, to see this difference. Oh my god. Oh no. Okay, let's see the version B. There's a version B. This is a version B. Location, red swoosh. Okay, the location between these two shoes. Yeah, they're nearly close. Jordan brand. Correct. Yeah, correct. Good. Stitching around this brand. Okay, let's see. Yeah. They are the same. Good. Okay, back heel. Well, all right. It's a little bit striped. Oh no, what? I don't know why they made these shoes. They're so striped. The back heel is it's like it looks like a line, a striped line. But this version is it's like a curve. Oh oh no. Well, but no matter what, I think the version B is more closer than the version A. I like this version. Let's get closer than to the retro one. Well, all right. So now this time we will talk about the back heel between these three different versions, the Bred patterns. Okay, so now this one is the retro one. Good. Now let's see the version A and the retro version. Oh, yeah, we can directly see the stitching at this point, this part. Can you see that? It's a little bit higher than the retro one. Yeah. Oh my god. It's so obvious. Stitching. Yeah, the location is not correct. Yes, let's see the color. The color part. Uh, the retro one is more. It's wider than the version A. Okay, they're the same color. Okay, so let's see the version B. Let's see the version B and the retro. Okay, yeah. Let's get very close. Stitching is correct. Location, they're all correct. Okay. Well, maybe this part is a little bit shorter than the retro part, the retro one. You see that? This is some more wider than this one. But it's okay. It's okay. Okay, so well. Okay, let's see the shoe tones. Okay, so this is a retro one, the shoe tones. We can directly see the Nike Air Red brand at the center, at the middle part of the shoe tones. This is version A, and this is version B. So what do you think? What do you think these three versions? But I think this version B, well, it's so get close to the retro one. I don't know what you guys think about this version B. But I don't like this version. This version A, oh come on, it's so bright. It's so bright. Oh, it's so bright. Here is so bright. Oh no. I don't like this version A. I like this version B. Yeah. Let's get very close to the retro one. Alright, so this is two tone, but let's see the stitching. Let's see the stitching. Okay, stitching here. Yeah, this is a retro one. Let's see the version A. Okay. Oh my god. Alright, so wow. I think it's okay. No problem. The stitching at this side, this part is okay. We can't find I can't find any problems here. Okay, so let's see the version B. Wow. Okay. Alright, so this is shoe tones part. Okay, so let's see the inside of these three different version shoes. So you can directly see they have a difference. Okay, so Well, the retro version we can see the Nike Air. This part of brand is fake. Let's see the version A and the version B. Well, well, oh, you can see this the soccer liner. The soccer liner of this version A is so bright, but the version B, you can see, although the version B, the Nike Air, the brand, is more brighter than the retro one, but this version is get close to the retro version, because you can see the version A, the soccer liner is so bright. Oh, come on. That is obviously fake shoes, bro. No. Well, if you want me to do the choice between the version A and the version B, I will absolutely to choose the version B. So here is my answer. Oh my god, that is so obverse. Okay, so come on. Okay, so let's see the family, the embroidery. Beautiful. Let's see the version A. Oh yeah. Well, yeah. It says that these two versions, the family embroidery, they look the same. Yeah, let's see the version B. Cool. Family. This is a written one, family. This is a version B, family. Okay. All right. Okay, so just now we make the comparison among these three different versions. So if you want me to make a choice, which wraps do you like? I will choose the version B. I don't choose this one because just now we see there are so many difference on this sneaker. Okay, so I'm very happy to share my opinions about how to recognize the Air Jordan 1 high OG brand patent, but there are some factory that made these sneakers. They're so excellent. Their technology is very good. Okay, so if you have different ideas or comments, please set it down on the below, and I'm very happy to see your comments. That's all. Thank you for watching this video.